Good morning students, Renuka Nannoji here. We have already started with the lesson Russian Revolution. In that we have covered the concepts, the age of social change, liberals, radicals, conservatives, industrial society and social change, and coming of socialism to Europe. And now in today's class let us see the other concepts. First let me begin with ideas of socialist, because little bit only we know about socialists, so let us study what were the ideas of socialist. So first point, Robert Owen. Who was he? And period is 1771 to 1858. He was a leading English manufacturer, sought to build a cooperative community called New Harmony in Indiana, USA. See here what he had done and who was he? He was a leading English manufacturer. He sought to build, means he decided to build a cooperative community called New Harmony in Indiana. Indiana is not a part of India, students, it's a part of USA. Indiana is a US state in the Midwestern and Great Lakes region of North America. Okay, so it is a part of USA where he wanted to set up a cooperative community. And he wanted to name it as New Harmony. A peaceful society he wanted to form. It is the 38th largest by area and 70th most populous of 50 United States. People of Indiana are called as Indianians. Indianians, the people are called as. Whatever it is, Robert Owen was a socialist. He was an English manufacturer and he decided to set up or build a cooperative community called New Harmony in US. So he was a socialist. Okay. And who were the other socialists? Other socialists felt that cooperatives could not be built on a wide scale only through individual initiative. They demanded that government should encourage cooperatives. See here, Robert Owen was an individual and he wanted to start up or set up the cooperative community. But other socialists, what they believed is they wanted the government to take the initiative. They demanded the government to take the initiative to build up the cooperatives at a wide scale, so that these cooperatives will get lot of encouragement when government is in charge, when government is taking the leadership. Okay, now the third one is in France. What had happened? Let us see. In France, Louis Blanc, okay, he wanted the government to encourage cooperatives and replace capitalist enterprises. Even he is here, students, in France, he wanted that government to encourage the cooperatives and he wanted to replace the capitalist enterprises. Means he wanted government to replace the capitalist enterprises. Capitalism, you know, the people who invest the money, okay, quite rich people, and they were taking the profit and they were not sharing the profit with laborers. That is capitalist. So that philosophy is called as capitalism. But socialism says that equal opportunity should be given to all and the society should be belonging to all. Okay, these cooperatives were to be association of people who produced goods together and divided the profits according to the work done by members. It means here what were the ideas of these cooperatives. Okay, means according to Louis Blanc, these cooperatives were to be association of people. It means these cooperatives will be group of people, okay, who produce the goods. It means they will work together. They'll work together, they'll produce the goods, and then once the profit comes, these all people will divide the profit according to the work done. It means each and every member's contribution, whatever is there, accordingly they will get the share in the profit. So this was the idea of Louis Blanc in France. Then Karl Marx, next one. So about Karl Marx we will discuss in detail. Karl Marx is also socialist. His ideas I have to discuss in detail in the next slide. So I think now you understood. Robert Owen, he wanted to set up a cooperative community called New Harmony, but other socialists wanted to set up they wanted the government to take the charge to build the cooperatives. And in France, Louis Blanc also wanted the government to replace the capitalism, and cooperatives are nothing but These are the association of people who will produce the goods together, and they will share the profit also together according to the work done by each member. So these all were the ideas of socialist. Okay, I think now you understood this concept. Now we will move to the next slide. Thank you.